Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. This is the month of November, and that means we have a whole new program for you. So for our Monday map, I'll let Victoria get us started.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Can you believe it's a whole new month already? Crazy. Now, the month of November is interesting because anyone that's been around the writing community for any amount of time knows that there are many challenges and contests and writerly events that take place in the month of November. Some of them have been going on for a long time, others are new, like our own experience challenge. So, what I want to talk with you about when we get to the compass tomorrow is I want to help set you up for success. Something that I feel far too many, especially newer writers, do is you dive into a challenge or some kind of a contest and you don't have your feet on the ground. So, that's what we're going to do tomorrow. I'm going to give you 3 areas that will help set you up for success, whether you're participating in a big contest, a big challenge, or you're just doing something small, maybe just catching some of that momentum, but doing it in your own smaller way. Whatever you're doing, I'm going to give you some tips to make sure that when you embark on a challenge, you are met with success. Kathleen?
All right. Oh, and I am so excited for our own LiLLiPub challenge that we've got going. And so I love that you're going to be bringing it up again tomorrow when we get to the Tuesday map. Well, this is a new month, so that means we have a new character trait. I'm going to give you the name of the character trait today. I'm not going to let that be a spoiler. I'm going to sneak that into you because I want you to be thinking about it because this one is a sleeper. You might be shocked at the power of this one. Okay, you ready for the word? The new character trait is respect. Think about it. Respect? What's to be said there? Ha 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 ha. Wait till tomorrow. That's the spoiler, is what that means and where you can go with that for story. And you will be surprised at how often that turns out to be a central theme, if not the central theme of a story. So come on back tomorrow and we will get you going on those November challenges and a brand new character trait. See you then. Bye-bye.